AI can write emails, create reports, and analyze data. But can AI truly understand a worried employee, a silent team member, or a difficult workplace emotion? That is where emotional intelligence becomes the leadership skill AI cannot replace.
Many leaders hear words, but they do not truly listen. Employees do not only need instructions.
Just a second.
They need understanding, respect, and emotional safety.
I see. Let's discuss this. In this video, we will discuss 3 powerful leadership skills: active listening, empathy, and managing difficult conversations. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand your own emotions, recognize emotions in others, and respond wisely instead of reacting emotionally. Active listening means listening to understand, not just listening to reply.
A leader with emotional intelligence does not interrupt, judge, or rush the conversation.
Bad listening sounds like, "Okay, I get it, just fix it." Active listening sounds like,
I hear that this situation has been stressful. Can you tell me more about what happened?
one shuts people down, the other opens trust. Sometimes people do not leave jobs because of workload. They leave because they feel unseen, unheard, and unsupported. Empathy does not mean agreeing with everything.
I'm just so overwhelmed with this project.
I understand. Let's figure it out together.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Instead of saying, "Everyone is busy, deal with it," say, "I can see this deadline is creating pressure. Let's look at the priorities and decide what needs attention first." This is leadership with empathy. Thank you. AI can suggest words, but it cannot genuinely feel concern. Read the silence in a room, or build human trust through presence. Leadership is not only about information, it is about connection. Difficult conversations are part of leadership. They may involve poor performance, conflict, mistakes, or disappointment. Avoiding them only makes the problem bigger.
I agree. Addressing issues directly is crucial.
Start with respect. For example, I want to talk about something important, and my goal is to understand the situation and find a solution together. This lowers fear and creates psychological safety. Do not attack personality. Do not use harsh labels. Do not embarrass someone publicly. Do not criticize publicly. Difficult conversations should correct the issue, not damage the person. Use this simple formula. Listen first. Acknowledge feelings. Clarify the facts. And then work toward a solution. This keeps the conversation calm and productive. Instead of saying, "You are irresponsible," say, "The report was submitted late, and it affected the team timeline.
Okay.
Help me understand what happened,
Okay, I understand.
and let's discuss how we can prevent this next time."
Thank you.
People may forget your exact words, but they remember how you made them feel when they were struggling. That is the real power of emotional intelligence. Pause before responding. Listen without interrupting. Ask open-ended questions. Notice body language. Choose words that protect dignity. Focus on solutions, not blame. AI may become faster, smarter, and more powerful. But the leaders who will stand out are those who can listen deeply, show empathy, and handle difficult conversations with maturity. Remember this, technology can process data, but leaders must understand people. If you want to grow your leadership, communication, and career success skills, subscribe to this channel and share this video with someone who wants to become a better leader.